Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to transfer the files from Mac to Android and Android back to Mac. So we will be using a tool called as OpenMTP, which is supported in the Mac for both Apple Silicon as well as Intel. You can just go and download this application from this website. I will drop this website URL in the description below. So once you download this application, you can just go and open that application, and you would be able to see this the folders on the system, and this is the connection that we need to set up yet. So right now you can see this is my Android screen here. So I have connected my USB cable here. So once it is connected, you would be able to see this notification bar. You can just tap on it, and here you need to click on transfer files. So once you are done, you can just go and refresh here, and it will display you the folders within the Android. So in order to move the file system from files from Android to Mac or Mac to Android, what you can do is you can simply open the system file, Mac system file, and just drag and drop into any of the folder that you want. So for example, this is the screenshot, which is the screenshot exactly, which is on the desktop. So I'm just going to go in DCIM, and I'm just go and drag and drop here, and it is copied. So if I want to show you here, so what I can do is I can just go to files, and within the files you would be able to see the screenshot here. So this is exactly the same screenshot. Now if I want to transfer the file here, so let's say suppose I want to transfer this keyboard photo on my desktop. So I can just go back to this MTP, and I think this is the file, keyboard file. I can just go drag and drop since it is a desktop, and you would be able to see the keyboard photo has been added. So this way you can transfer the files from Mac to Android and from Android back to Mac using the OpenMTP transfer tool. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.